What's up guys, Dano here, back again with an awesome recipe for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, let me know what you think about this recipe, especially after you make it, because everybody tells me they don't eat potatoes if they don't eat potatoes like this. I got all kinds of people that have told me, because I posted this recipe on my Facebook, on my Instagram, on my TikTok, but we never made one for YouTube. All we're gonna do, and this is so easy, seriously, it's 3 ingredients, well 4 I guess. You need some red potatoes. I'm gonna use this Kerrygold Irish butter that I keep seeing out there. It's an unsalted. I always use unsalted butter. I'm not a huge salt fan. That's why we got Dano's. It's low sodium, all natural, no sugar, no chemicals, real flavor. And then we just got some regular old store-bought, Parmesan cheese that you get in a little bottle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna melt the butter. We're gonna add it in with the Parmesan cheese and we're gonna add it with spicy Dano's. Now you can always do the original. We've got a bottle with your name on it. If you haven't got Dano's yet, remember we got a bottle with your name on it. So we got the original, but I'm gonna go spicy. The good thing about the spicy Dano's is it's not too spicy. It's never gonna set you on fire. But let's go on, let's get this recipe started. I'm gonna show you exactly how to prep it, how to cook it, and you're gonna see the final product and you're gonna be amazed. And once you try it, I promise you, you're gonna love it. So what we do is we take this 13 by 9, Pyrex baking dish. But what I want to do is I'm going to cut these potatoes, and this is the important part. Cut it in half, long ways, right? And then get you a nice knife, and we're going to make like a tic-tac-toe. You don't want to go all the way through, just about halfway down. And you're just going to tic-tac-toe it. 2 slits that way, 2 slits the other way, and look at what you got, okay? You got like this potato. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our butter, melt our butter. We're gonna add the Parmesan and Dano's and we're gonna make it into like a paste, and then we're gonna put it over the bottom of the Pyrex. And then when we put these in there into that butter, it's gonna like soak up and it's gonna cook into the potato. Best potatoes you've ever had, I promise you. Like I said, make sure you subscribe because you're not gonna wanna be missing out on all these recipes. So first thing I'm gonna do, you can use the whole stick of butter if you want. I found to do this amount of potatoes in this 13 by 9 Pyrex, I like about 3/4 of a stick. So I'm just gonna cut off 1/4 of it. And then we're just gonna throw this right in the microwave. I can already tell this doesn't look like the normal butter that I'm used to. I usually buy like the Kroger brand unsalted. This, you can tell that is like some real butter. So it's also a few dollars more. So we're gonna try that out. We're just gonna pop it right in the microwave, melt that down, and we will just continue to get our potatoes ready to go in to the mix. Just keep cutting. That's all you gotta do. It's that easy. All right, guys, so we got our potatoes cut in our little checkerboard pattern, or tic-tac-toe, whatever you want to call it. So get your 13 by 9. This is super easy. Take your melted butter and we're just going to pour it right in. Pour in your butter. Then you're going to take your Parmesan cheese, open the pour top, and we're going to pour a bunch of it in there. Now the next step is get your spicy Dano's. We're gonna pop the top, and we call this the trigger finger, that little pop, 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 pop. There it is. So we just hit the trigger finger, just like so. So the next step is you just take your little spatula, and you start moving this butter around, and we're gonna mix it all up. We're just gonna mix it in to a paste. Super easy. All you got to do. And once you got it evenly mixed, we just spread it out, cover the bottom of the pan, just get it all spread out, and then we'll put our taters in. We got our oven preheated to 425, just like that. Check that out. Look how even that is. That Parmesan cheese, we're gonna cook it at 425. The Parmesan cheese is gonna like crust up. That butter is gonna really melt and get into that potato with that Dano's flavor. Telling you what, wait till you try these potatoes. Best potatoes you're ever gonna have. So take your potatoes and we're just gonna lay them in here face down. Just press them right down into that butter mix, just like so. Just wait, my friends. Just wait. Now, we're going in the oven, baby. I got it set to 425. It's probably gonna take about 20 minutes, but we'll just gauge it. We'll be able to tell when they're done. It's always gonna be different by how big your potato is. Going in. Oh, look at those. All right, you guys, look at that. Got Drew back here ready to take a taste test. We're gonna give it just a couple minutes, let it cool off, but I want you to just see how it's the Parmesan cheese kind of, crusted up. Look at this one potato, check this out. Oh my goodness. We gotta let this cool off here. Let's get a look at another one from the inside. Look at that. Look at that, the cheese. Oh my gosh. Wow, did you get that? My friends, we're gonna give that about 5 minutes to just cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna try it. See you in a second. All right, you guys, got Director Drew over here. We're getting ready to get us a bite. What I want you to see right here is on this piece, when I pull this up, we got the burnt Parmesan around the edge. And then look at that Parmesan and Dano's. Still might be hot. Might want to be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to break it in pieces, but here we go.
I'm telling you what. Cheers.
Was it hot?
It's hot. I had that little burnt Parmesan that's around the edge. That part right there.
That's the best part.
Crunchy.
These are the best damn potatoes I think I've ever had.
I'm telling you guys.
Look at that. Just look at it.
I
Amazing.
saw a video on TikTok. Justin Demented made this. And so I just recreated it doing the butter, the Parmesan, and the Dano's. So many people have contacted me being like, dude, that's the only way to eat potatoes. So if you're a potato person, if you're a potato lover, first off, make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. If you've tried this before, definitely leave us a comment. We'd love to get the feedback. But hit a subscribe, hit the like. Make sure you follow us. We're always gonna be posting awesome recipes. But one thing's for sure, if you've never had potatoes like this, you're probably missing out. And you're definitely probably missing out on some Dano's.
You're definitely missing out.
And I tell you what, you can get you a big bottle. We even got a bottle with your name on it. That's it, y'all. We're gonna eat these potatoes and have ourselves a dang good day. We wish you the same. Keep sprinkling, y'all. Put some Dano's on it. We'll see you next time.
See ya.